Okay, here is the clutch cover. With the Sick Bike Parts left side tensioner attached. You can see here where the chain, how much it's dug into this cover. Right, here's your clutch rod, whatever you call it. This is the front. So the chain is turning here and it's really got into there. So as the entire bottom of this cover is open to the ground, I can't imagine that grinding away this spot, which is going to be between the magneto cover. Also, I put the chain tensioner back on, and I can see, now this will be on with the chain on there, this will be moved forward a lot more, but I can see that, and I've measured this. This is about 3 millimeters out of line with this 17 tooth sprocket. So I'm going to probably take out one of these nuts. I think they're about 2.5 millimeters. That should get that more in line. So anyway, that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to grind this away and get this lined up. My other option would be maybe to try a smaller chain here.